Hi everyone, this is Hunyah Travels, and today I'm going to be making air-fried buffalo chicken wings. Chicken wings you need is pre-marinated chicken wings, which you could find at any grocery store, and it's really easy to make. First, set up the air fryer to the setting of air fry and set the timer for 25 minutes. And now let that preheat. Put the wings in one by one into the air fryer. There's about 6 of them, so I'm gonna just put these in like this and keep putting these in. And now put this into the air fryer. Ready to go into the air fryer, so put them in like this and let this air fry for about 25 minutes. Turn the food and it looks something like this, so it's time to turn it. It looks something like this, so it's time to turn the food. Just turning the food, just turning the wings, and you can see that they are pretty much almost cooked. A little bit more cooking needed, and then they're ready to be eaten. Now time to put this back into the air fryer and let that cook for another 8 minutes, and then it's ready for its sauce. The air fryer chicken wings are ready, and they look something like this. So you could see, crispy and ready to eat. Wings are ready and they're ready to be dipped into the sauce. Put the wings in to the bowl, and you could see that they are crispy, they're full of flavor. So they just go in to the bowl like this. And now it's ready for its next step, as you could see. Now for the buffalo wings, you just need to add in any kind of store-bought buffalo sauce. So I'm gonna add in this, and it's ready to be shaken. It looks like this. So I'm just gonna mix it up. So you shake it as much as you can, and then the wings will be ready. And now the wings are with the flavor, so now they're ready to be tossed onto the plate. Put the wings onto the plate, and then they're ready to be eaten. So just take them out, and they're almost ready to be eaten now. So air fryer buffalo wings are ready to be eaten, and it's an easy recipe so be sure to tune into Hunyah Travels, and be sure to please share and like and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. Thank you.